In today's video, I will be sharing to you the story of my keratoconus patient and how scleral lenses has changed his life. So my patient, Marl, is just 16 years old and today he is accompanied by his mom. So let me introduce to you my patient, Marl, and his mommy, Loreline. So good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, Marl. How are you?
Good.
Today, we're going to talk about keratoconus, especially sa case ni Marl. I'd like to ask, how old siya, ma'am, nung unang mo napansin na nag-blur yung vision niya?
12 years old do. Nagalikramo siya kay na siya time nagsakit daw yung mata. Dili daw siya kakakita.
Okay.
Then abi lang nako siya o kanang sa gadget lang kay naman siya gadget pero every Friday lang o Saturday. Wala lang po to siya high school.
Okay. So, nung 12 years old siya, di kayo siya nag-gadgets. Friday, Saturdays
Yes,
lang.
po.
Tapos nag-blur iyang vision. Okay. Then, what happened nung 12 years old? Unsang management ang gihatag sa iyaha?
Wala na nako siya ginapa-gadget. Naalay
stop lang na ang
limited
gadgets.
lang siya.
Okay.
Na kuan lang siya do kay katong pandemic. Kay need silang school. Kay kuan lang siya online. Tapos mag-cellphone. Tapos ginapalitan yun na mo siya computer kay dili daw niya maklaro ang cellphone sa iyang mga lesson.
So, how old siya nun? Mga
13.
13.
Opo.
13 years old, online class. So, initially, cellphone.
Oo.
Pero dili niya maklaro ang cellphone.
Yes po. Kung magtawag mi sa naman overseas man niyang daddy, kuan siya,
Nag-squint?
Opo. Tapos sige siya giingon sa ako na i-check daw ang mata ni Marl. Ko ay ako na siyang ikuan, limit lang na ko iyang kuan. Night time na okay, pero nagi siya time di man ko siya nagasulti sa ako kung unsa jud iyang vision ba. Abi na ko kuan wala man jud ko kabalo sa iyang condition sa iyang mata.
Abay ni mo murag ka ng dili kaayo severe.
Opo. Tapos akong na-detect siya kay nagra-rub jud siya.
Gusto siya mag-rub og mata.
Kay inana magukudok, abi na ko kuan lang, kuan liwat jud ka sa ako kay nagra-rub ko. Tapos wala abi jud na ko pod.
Since bata pa siya, wala pa 12 years old, hilig na gid siya mag-rub, bata pa lang gid siya.
Mahilig siya.
Pero Marl, sa imo ha, si mami nimo napansin niya na nag-blur imong vision tong mga 12 years old ka. Kasi, yun na nga, parang nag-complain ka ng blurring of vision. At the same time, yung pandemic, yung phone, hindi mo makita. Pero yung sa experience mo personally, kailan mo talaga napansin? Did you experience blurring of vision earlier than 12 years old? Or 12 na talaga?
Based on my experience, it was like very normal for me because naanad na ako kay dili ko sanay kung unsay jud ginakita sa mga ubang tao. Nagtuo ko na normal sa ako pero number nagsugod na siya at that age, grade 7 pa, 13 years old. Kay bro, I think this is not normal anymore kasi ang mga classmates na sila kakita sila sa board pero ako dili.
So 13 years old.
Yes.
Makita nila ang board pero ikaw dili nimo makita. Pero tong mga grade 4, grade 5, makita pa nimo ang board ato nga time. Or wala ko nimo napansin na dili na dito normal, abi nimo normal lang. No comparison, no? So you don't really know. And it happened lang ng pandemic. It made it very worse in a very short period of time. Okay. So what's the first thing that you did to manage it aside from yung sa gadgets, yung ganun? Ano yung management? I understand you went to another doctor, right?
Yes po.
Before coming here. So what's the management that time?
Wala mi kakuan jud do kung unsa gyud ang among buhaton kay wala man mi gi-explain man giingnan lang mi na siya keratoconus.
So sa start pa lang nakita na sa doctor keratoconus
Yes
gid
po,
siya.
opo.
Okay.
Tapos dito sa Tagum nagkuan na siya pero wala siya nag-specific kung kuano gibalhin mi sa lain na doktor. Dito na na-confirm na naay siya kuan jud kay ra gyud ang iyang sakit sa mata. Pandemic man jud to dok. Na worry mi mag-asawa kung saan na mo siya. Akong gibuhat nag-search lang jud ko dok. Kung unsa jud akong buhaton unsay nganong naay nato, anong naay kanang sa jeans bag yun namo or nganong naay jud siya inana. Nag-search lang jud ko dok kung unsa.
So, when
buhaton.
you learned na naa siya keratoconus, katong gidiagnose siya nga keratoconus, unsay gihatag na management sa doktor?
Wala gyud siya, Dok. Ang
Wala?
giingon lang sa iya, Dok, ang iyang left eye mao na severe na damage, kailangan siya og cornea transplant.
The left eye needs corneal transplant.
Ang right, Dok.
Ang right,
Oo.
okay.
Tapos mo to na ang kuan pa jud kaayo, kaabi na ko kanang cornea transplant, tanggalon jud ang mata. Abi jud na mo tanggalon ang mata. Wala mo pud gud siya nag-explain sa amo. Tapos pandemic pud to. Tapos siya na. Mo tong pag-uli na mo, hangin jud mi siya, hangin mi sa among usay jud among dapat buhaton. Ang among decision, wala na lang jud magpa-transplant siya.
Anyway, explain ko lang para sa mga mag-watch sa atin, ano ba yung keratoconus? So, they will understand, no? So, for our viewers, I will explain what keratoconus is, okay? So, if ito yung eye natin, okay? Pag binuksan natin siya, okay? Itong pinaka-frontmost part na transparent na layer, this is what we call the cornea. So, itong cornea is very important because yung two main na work niya sa mata natin is number one, of course, it protects our eye. It's the outermost covering of our eye. And number two, it allows light to enter our eye by being transparent. Ngayon, if you have keratoconus, your cornea is very thin, no? So, it can vary for different patients kung ano yung reason bakit thin yung cornea nila. Pero for Marl, he is always rubbing his eyes and palagi siyang kulob. So, yung friction between the back portion of his eyelids and the front portion of his cornea, yung lagi silang nagra-rub together, yun yung nagkukos na mag-thin ang cornea at mag-deform. Okay? Now, yung sinasabi natin na corneal transplant, what happens is, this cornea, yung natural cornea, will be removed and taken out, and it will be replaced with a different cornea. So, saan naman galing yung bagong cornea na yon? It will come from a donated cornea from someone who just recently passed away. Now, how often do you need a corneal transplant? Tanan ba na keratoconus patients kailangan ng corneal transplant? Not all. Actually, about sa experience ko, mga 2 to 4% lang ang kailangan ng corneal transplant. So, kung hindi kailangan ng corneal transplant, pero may problem yung cornea, damaged ang cornea natin, how do we manage it? How do we manage keratoconus without doing corneal transplant? What we do is yung scleral lenses. So, ano yung scleral lenses? I'm sure you have an idea about contact lenses, right? But the standard contact lenses, they are soft, okay? Meron din namang hard pero maliit. So what happens with these soft contact lenses and these small na hard contact lenses, they are placed directly on your cornea. That's not advisable. It can correct the vision of a keratoconus patient, but it doesn't really do any good for the patient's cornea. What we want is a scleral lens that is large diameter, malaki. It doesn't sit on the cornea, it sits on the sclera. Itong outer part, okay, so if this is your cornea, dito siya nakalapat, yung sclera. Okay? So that's a scleral lens. And what the scleral lens does, it provides a transparent covering for your cornea to protect your cornea para hindi siya magkaroon ng further damage. Number 2, so when a patient is wearing a scleral lens, so andito yun sa harap ng cornea, hindi siya nakadikit sa cornea, nasa harap lang siya. So in between the sclera and the cornea, there's a fluid that I prescribe Nutrifil. So, yun yung fluid right between the sclera and the cornea. It lubricates the cornea, it protects it from further damage, and it makes it even healthier as habang tumatagal. So, yung scleral lens natin, it provides an artificial membrane on top of your cornea. It makes it regular in shape para pag pumasok yung light, hindi na keratoconus yung ma-experience ng patient, kundi regular, normal na vision yung ma-experience niya. So, how is your experience with your scleral lens? Kamusta ang paglagay at ang pagtanggal?
At first it was really challenging for me because it was my first time. I usually get scared because I don't usually touch my eyes.
You tend to close.
I tend to close because I usually get scared. Instinct. You call that,
It's reflex and
yeah, it's
instinct.
reflex. Yes. But after like 2 to 3 tries, I got used to it. It was a relief for me because I don't need my parents' help anymore. With the scleral lenses, if I use them, let's go with my first experience at school. It was very fun. We had a musical play, we had a theater, a show. Oh, we tried passing each other sticks. This is because why I'm so happy that I got my scleral lens before the play, because we had a part that we used sticks to throw at each other and catch it. At first, before I got my scleral lenses, it was so hard for me to catch the sticks because
Di ka talaga makakatch ng
yes,
stick.
because I usually
Can't
tend
see
to see 2, not 1. So
Double vision.
yes.
So aside sa blurring of vision, may double vision pa.
And also our lessons in our school was very, very easy. At the part when I usually read notes, I can much more easily understand the lesson. Just listening is not like it's hard
Not
to
enough.
understand. Yes.
So you need to be able to read. Kasi minsan, may ibang teachers kasi medyo mahirap silang mag-explain verbally. So if you can read the lesson, it's gonna make it easier for you to understand what they're saying.
So yeah,
Yeah.
that was a very fun experience. Seeing the real world.
Yes.
See
true.
what other people see.
That's true. And you're smart after all, no? So, akala pala ng mga teachers, medyo napapagalitan ka pala kasi nga, antok siya sa school. When actually, yung keratoconus kasi, yun na nga yung sabi ko, yung itong cornea na to, deformed siya. So, pag pumapasok yung light, it spreads light in different directions and it nagmumultiply yung light. Kaya nag-glare. So, very sensitive sa light. Kaya minsan yung mga patients, mas gusto na lang nilang ipikit yung mata nila. Pero, hindi nila naintindihan ng mga teachers na yun pala yung experience mo. Akala nila parang wala ka lang paki sa school kasi natutulog ka sa classroom. It's very heartwarming for me as your doctor to know na nag-improve yung academics mo sa scleral lenses. And what most people don't know actually, vision plays one of the biggest roles when it comes to learning because 80% of everything that a person learns is through his eyes. And then the rest of the senses fills up the 20%. When you wore your scleral lenses, suddenly, in just one day, ang galing mo na. Diba? So, meron ka pala talagang tinatagong galing na hindi lang nila alam. Yeah. So, another question, aside from your academics, and of course, yung medyo physical activities rin, kasi nga dati hindi ka makakatch ng mga sticks or mga sport activities kasi malabo. Tsaka doble. Ngayon, makakatch ka na.
Yes.
So, how about sa social skills mo? Ma'am, dati ba, kamusta siya? When you mentioned to me before that he doesn't like to go out of the house.
Opo. Kaya wala daw siya, dili daw niya kay makita tanan. Dahil mas ako siya ginaingon na, bila na imong hidad, wala pa siya kay crush. Ano siya nami, kanang, dili man guna ko makita kung gwapa ba siya o dili.
Sigurista.
Siya na, naluwi ko sa iyaha ba kay kanang gusto na ko ma-experience niya ang kanagong na-experience po namo siyang daddy sa teenager inandre nalang yun siya most of the time kanang dili siya medyo mulaag tapos pag adlaw dali lang siya mo mag-mall siya sa mga cousin tapos uli na pud siya tapos paggabi kanang mag family dinner me dili kanya ma-enjoy kay ngit-ngit dili siya kay kaklaro sa kanang mga may mga festival usahay dalaon na mo siya magnara siya sa daplin
Di niya ma-appreciate.
kay dili kay niya maklado usay sakit kay sa iyang mata ang kuan ang mga lights.
The only advice that you got was corneal transplant,
Yes, kung
right?
katong cross-linking niya
Cross-linking.
sa left eye.
So the scleral lenses were never introduced to
Wala
you.
yun do.
How did you find out about scleral lenses?
Kuan kayo siya do kanang brag blessing o miracle jud nako siya kay. Sige ko research about sa mga unsay kanang unsa gyud history sa keratoconus, unsay mga treatment, mga lahi naman to ng mga county sa US man siya din, wala man din sa Philippines. Ngayon nakakita ko sa Facebook ug katong warriors na keratoconus warriors, wala na mapil daw ko aron mababasa na kung unsay mga kuan nila ba kay ako man ko siya ni pop up lang mo siya sa akong Facebook, gabiin na to siya. Sige lang ko basa, wala pa mga pila ka days, nagabasa lang ko sa ilang mga comment, o sa ilang mga struggle, o sa ilang mga treatment, anak ko. Message po ko dito na, gikan ko sa Davao, akong anak na 15 years old, na diagnosed, asa mi dapat mo adto sa Manila, o kinsay among dulan, kay wala man diri sa Davao. Kay blessing yun, Dok, munang hilak yun ko kay ni message ka sa ako, ana, ikaw.
So yung time na yun din yung first na nag-type ka,
Yes,
tapos
Dok.
nakita ko kaagad.
Opo.
Oh, it's really destiny.
Yes,
Akala ko
Dok.
matagal ka na
Wala.
doon. Tapos, timing lang yun siya.
Kay Dok. Then pag ingon mo, Dok, na kanang specialista ka sa keratoconus, diri pa yun sa Davao. Mura yung kog na kuan, Dok, pag human ni sulti dahil ko sa akong husband na naay natay solusyon. Po, tapos nangutana pa yun ka sa ako, Dok, kung itong result gani sa iyahang ay exam, wala man itagaid, Dok. Wala may ato yung
So, walang result.
wala,
ano?
oo.
You did not have your copy?
Yes po. Motong wala, dili na ko siya makuan. Motong pagpangutanan ako sa
So, we had to do it again.
Yes po. Then, tapos napadyo kay giingon, Dok, sa ako, anak. I-check na to ang sana ay sa mong anak kung kaya na to i-save na to ang mata sa mong anak. Na-touch kay ko ato, Dok.
Yeah.
Motong napitig yun, nalipay kay ko na anak ko gusto iya na kanang basta ma-save pa imong mata
Yes.
kaysa ma-transplant kay sa among family giistoryahan na maguna mo naguli ang daddy kay ang transplant jud siya lisod jud ay siya.
Yeah. There's complications
Opo.
that are attached to a transplant, no? Of course, there's organ rejection. Syempre, it's not your organ. Number 2 is yung recovery period mo. And then, lastly, even if we've replaced your deceased cornea with a new cornea, you will still need to wear scleral lenses post-op kasi na-change lang yung shape ng cornea mo, pero yung vision mo, hindi pa rin yun siya mako-correct. So, the only way that we can correct it with the scleral lens. So, depende rin sa iba-ibang doctors, iba-iba kasi ng professional opinion, lahat ng doctors. But for me, in my opinion, I don't want to advise a patient to undergo a corneal transplant without first doing a scleral fitting. So, sa scleral fitting, lalagyan natin ng trial na mga scleral lenses ang patient, i-check natin kung kaya nating ma-improve at saka kung hanggang saan ang kaya nating ma-improve sa patient. That's what we're trying to do. So, God is very good.
Yes,
Siya lang din ang nag-guide sa atin to, meet and for us to really help Marl together.
Yes, no.
So, happy lang po ko kasi hindi ka talaga nag-give up, naghanap ka talaga ng way. Syempre, parang it's very important for moms, especially mga mommies, mga parents, mga daddies, dili gyud dapat mag-give up on their kids. So, sometimes I wear 2 hats. The hat of a doctor and the hat of a mom because I also have children and meron din silang mga problema, mga sakit. Also, a wife sa aking husband. So, mo po na-appreciate po na ako ka. I really appreciate you for really doing your best to really help Marl. Ikaw, Marl, anong masasabi mo sa mommy mo?
Actually, I saw her crying.
You saw her crying? When?
When I was trying to get water, I saw her crying in the room. I was actually heartbroken. I was very grateful. I don't know why she was crying though. I thought she was crying because there's still going back of my vision.
When she learned that you had keratoconus, you were crying.
But further on, she told me that she was happy because because of you.
Thank you so much.
Because you gave us a chance. To those who are watching, not just me, but the person of the people here in this world deserves a second chance. Not just the vision, but in their lives.
Yes. So, congratulations to your newfound vision. I think you were born twice. The first was when you were born in this world, and the second was when you had your vision. So, thank you so much for coming, and I hope that you have a wonderful journey for the rest of your life until you grow old, until you have your own wife, you have your children, you have your apos, ma-enjoy mo yung life mo to the fullest. Thank you so much that I'm part of your journey.
Thank you, kaayo, Doc.
So to all our viewers, if you have any vision problem, not only keratoconus, but other problems, and you have already tried eyeglasses management and it still doesn't improve your vision to the best outcome that you are expecting. So there are other ways and managements that you can try. So meron tayong maraming advanced non-surgical managements. One of those are scleral lenses. But there's a whole lot of other managements that we can talk about. So if you'd like to learn more about these managements, please like this video and share it and subscribe to my channel because I will be talking about these managements in the future. And maybe I have already talked about it in some of my videos. So feel free to browse.
Please like,
Please comment.
Please share and
Subscribe.
And if you'd like to be the first one to know if I've uploaded a new video, click the notification bell because
I care.
Bye!
Bye.